Hello guys, welcome to App Mentor, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can fix your loading screen if it is stuck 100% for a while. Now there could be multiple reasons why this is happening. So to fix them we will have to try different options and different solutions. So let's start with the first one, and that is make sure you are not connected to any VPN. So if you have no VPN or you have turned off the VPN and the game is still not loading, we can go to the next solution. So the second solution is we can close the stream completely. So go here and right click on the Steam icon, then click exit stream. This will completely shut down the Steam that is running in the background. And to make sure the Steam is closed, go to the task manager and here you can search for Steam. So there is no Steam right here, as you can see, but if we search for it, as you can see, there is no Steam. But and let me just run it again and I'll show you in Steam. And here I ran it again. And now if I go to Task Manager and search for Steam, it will show me this. So if you are getting Steam here, you can basically right click on it and end task. This will completely shut it down. And after closing the Steam, what you can do is basically you can run Steam as administrator. So basically going here, right clicking and run as administrator. Now you might have to put your password in it. Now the next fix you can try is very simple, and it is basically restarting your PC. There are like hundreds of problems that can be solved with a simple restart, and this might be one of them. Now if those solutions didn't work, we can move on to the next solution, and that is basically going right here in Once Human in Steam, right click, go to properties, and then we will go to installed files. Here we can verify the integrity of our game files. Our game files can become corrupt due to virus or other reasons, so basically this will verify the integrity of our game files, and if anything is wrong or corrupt, it will re-download those parts of the game. And another thing you can do right from here is going here to browse, and this will go to the location where the game is installed. So if I click on browse, it will open up the thing. So here are the game files, and this is the address where it is installed. So basically I can write patch here and these files will come out. So basically I can just simply delete these files, as maybe these files can be problem here. So what will happen next time you run the game, it will reinstall those files again. And that's it for today's video. I hope one of these fixes have worked for you, and if it did, please hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and thanks for watching.